Welcome back to the Doodleverse, where evolution is messy. Today, we're looking at a creature that basically invented the concept of overcompensating, the Brachiosaurus. Survival rate? A pathetic 0.1%. Basically, if you were born a Brachiosaurus, nature had already pre-ordered your tombstone. Their stats were unbalanced. Health points? Infinite. Offensive capabilities? Being slightly annoying with a twig. Welcome to the Jurassic. It's hot, everything wants to eat you, and the salad bar is officially open. The journey begins in an egg the size of a beach ball. It's cramped, smells like yolk, and has zero Wi-Fi. And touchdown. Majestic. It already looks confused about its own anatomy. First order of business, defying gravity. The biological equivalent of trying to assemble IKEA furniture without instructions. Oh look, a local resident coming to welcome the neighborhood snack. I mean baby. Activate defense mechanism, intimidating roar. Fortunately, Mom is basically a walking skyscraper with anger issues. The size difference is absurd. It's like standing next to a really judgmental mountain. Evolutionary perfection. Nailed it. If it survives, life becomes a singular mission: eat. They are biologically programmed to be a bottomless pit for foliage. They grow fast. It's like blowing up a balloon that's 90% neck. Having a neck this long is great for reaching high leaves and awful for literally everything else. It's a logistical nightmare. The Jurassic is full of hazards, like slightly damp ground, a Brachiosaurus's natural enemy. They have to eat 25 hours a day just to keep that massive chassis running. It's a full-time job with terrible benefits. Ah, adolescence. Even for a 50-ton lizard, it's just a long period of being awkward and smelling weird. Socializing is tough when your brain is the size of a walnut and located 30 feet from your body. Being the tallest thing around is great until a thunderstorm rolls in. Then you're just a giant lightning rod made of meat. And let's not forget the output. The environmental impact of a Brachiosaurus's bathroom break is catastrophic. Finally, after years of grinding, they unlock the premium content, leaves that aren't covered in mud. The view from up here is incredible. Everything looks insignificant, especially your problems. They've made it, a fully grown adult, a biological tank built entirely out of salad. But in the Jurassic, you're never truly safe. Enter the Allosaurus, basically a land shark with performance anxiety. Our giant friend detects a disturbance in the force, or maybe it's just gas. Nope, definitely a murder lizard. It's go time. Prepare for high-speed action. And by high speed, I mean a brisk walk. This is painful to watch. The Allosaurus goes for the ankles. It's highly ineffective, like biting a concrete pillar. Time for the counterattack, the whip of destiny. And he's out of here. That's gonna leave a mark in the fossil record. He's persistent, going for the high-stakes neck shot. Bold strategy, Cotton. The Brachiosaurus charges up its ultimate move, the Thunder Stomp. Gravity is about to do the work. Boom! Pretty sure that registered on the Richter scale. The Allosaurus is reconsidering its life choices. That 30 seconds of cardio almost killed it. It needs a nap and about 4 tons of ferns, stat. Another day, another predator successfully bored into leaving. So, against all odds, our giant idiot made it. Proof that you don't need brains if you're just absurdly large. They defied the stats. They are the 0.1%, the elite, the very hungry elite. Who should we roast next? The miserable blobfish or the psychopath honey badger? Vote in the comments. And smash that subscribe button like a 50-ton dinosaur stepping on a grape. See you next time.